This Thursday, the new rules on VAT in electric commerce will come into force. The goal is to encourage competition between EU and non-EU companies that already have excessive advantages because they didn't pay the value-added tax. More VAT means tax revenues of around 7 billion euros per year in Europe for the community public coffers. But what changes for consumers? First of all, they will now have to check whether VAT is included in the price.
The consumer must check whether VAT is included or not. If the VAT is not included at this time above the purchase price of the goods, there will be the VAT to be paid, but also the cost of transport and customs duty. When buying something, you should verify yourself. You must be sure that the final price includes VAT. If this is not the case, you must find out what the additional amount added is going to be. In general, the additional cost in Belgium will be 30%.
Pour savoir bien quel est le montant supplémentaire qui va être ajouté. En général, le surcoût en Belgique sera de 30%.
And what about companies? What's changing for them? First, goods less expensive than 22 euros won't be exempt anymore and will be subject to VAT. Second, non-European companies that invoice over 10,000 euros will have to register on a website, even if the advice is for all companies to do so anyway.
The change will be that non-European companies have the option to register at a point in Europe. It is called one-stop shop. If the company does not opt for this system, then the company has to register in all member states and has to do all the custom formalities.
Dans tous les États membres de la communauté européenne et de faire toutes les formalités douanières.
This reform, in addition to having economic consequences, could also impact international relations, with many countries outside the EU being displeased with the change.
China is absolutely not happy with this operation. The risks are high, but you also have to start somewhere. We will see from July the 1st what will happen and what countermeasures countries like China will take.
For scammers that didn't pay VAT, it's the end. For consumers, they'll now be forced to pay more attention to the items of expenditure. If they don't, they might get a nasty surprise of VAT being added to the final price. Chris for Pictures Euronews, Brussels.